Man, here it is, the 2026 Aprilia Tuono factory 660. This is going to be a special day. It's my birthday, and I may make a decision on this bike. I really want it. Stay with me. You don't want to miss this. Let's get this thing started up. It does have that beautiful new 5-inch TFT display. Hit the start button here. I do have the kickstand up. I tell you what, this is a special day for me. It's my birthday, but anyways, Aprilia wheelie control. This does have the 6-axis IMU. We're going to do more riding than standing on this one and telling you about it. This bike, huge thank you to Tuono, Kawasaki, Suzuki, Aprilia, Piaggio, Vespa. Huge thank you to them. Man, what an awesome year it's been. Even though I've been down, let's adjust those mirrors. Okay, let's adjust this one up just to be careful. Here we go. I tell you, I did a previous review on the 26 RS660, and I loved that bike. I loved it. Matter of fact, I loved it so much, I went back and told my wife that I wanted to buy it. She's like, whatever. But anyways, she, and I always ask my wife before I do stuff, I want to stay married, not living in the garage. We're going to take a right, which we usually go left to a parking lot, and I'll tell you about it. I'll tell you about it while I'm riding this bike. This bike has, make sure I'm getting the right angle. Oh yeah, this bike, first of all, the big differences are the suspension. This bike last year had 41 millimeter, I think they were Sachs front forks and rear shock. This year, they upped the size of the front forks, and they are Olin's, which I'll put a picture of that up in the, and they're the NIX forks. They're totally adjustable, rebound. I don't know why I'm using that clutch. Oh man, woo! I love that clutchless shifting. My bike has it, my other bike, and it's got a flip shifter down. I'm not using any hands, which you can see that gear shifter. This bike also went from 48 millimeter throttle bodies to 52 millimeter throttle bodies, and I don't know if y'all can hear that intake noise, but that's the same size throttle bodies that's on the RSV 1100. So this thing is just gulping air. It does have a Brembo master cylinder that you can see right there. It has Brembos front and rear. I'm on individual mode. It has 5 modes, the Aprilia Race Suite that they call it. And you can adjust 2 of the race modes. Man, oh man, I want to get this up. One question I had about this, you can see that huge funnel intake right there over the handlebars. This is super comfortable. I've leaned over sport bikes my whole life, and when I bought my last one, I swore I would never do it again. I'm not into the 180 mile an hour stuff, just every once in a while in very discreet location. Oh yeah. Yep, that front wheel was coming up. Man, this thing redlines at 11,500. This bike this year, the factory version, makes 105 horsepower. Brentune, which I do have a discount link to in my description, they have a flash for it. They went down. Oh yeah. Man, this is a pretty awesome bike. Super stable in the front end. It comes with Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4s on it, front and rear. The back tire is 160/50 by 17. Super sticky tire. a track quality tire for sure. The front tire is a 120/70 17. I tell you what, it's going to be hard not to buy this. Think, Ray. Do you really need another motorcycle, Ray? Using that quick shifter down? Man, I don't want to get off this. Wow, wow, wow. And $4.99, I believe. This one has some extra stuff on it. They did put a rear tail tidy on it. Oh yeah, that front wheel's just, the front wheel came off the ground there, which you can adjust the wheelie control. I believe there's 5 positions for the wheelie control. With the 6-axis IMU, you've got Aprilia traction control there. Man, I love 1000cc 1-liter bikes. You leave a comment if you like the 1-liter stuff, but I tell you what, this ain't a 180 mile per hour bike. It will run 149 mile an hour. It don't take 200 mile an hour to make me to where I can have fun anymore. Man, I don't want to get off this bike. Man, I love this bike. Oh my God, Ray, don't go back and buy it. Don't go back and buy it. Today's my birthday. Oh, it's gonna be hard. It does have LED blinkers, front and rear, LED headlights. I'll drive up to this window and show you real quick. It has daytime running lamps. Super, super sexy bike. I'm gonna get off of it, I guess, just real quick, and then we're gonna get back on it and go have some more fun. Show you this headlight real quick, walk around it for, I promise you, I'll be back on the bike in 1 minute or less. Look at this bike. Oh man, LEDs. There's your high beam in the center where you control that right there. There's your blinkers. LED, you push to cancel. There's your horn. There's your gear selector right in the middle of that tack. Let's put it in, oh man, super simple. Into neutral. Turn this thing off real quick so you can hear me when I get off. This bike is 399 pounds. It does have a lithium battery in it that's fully fueled and fully, every liquid that needs to go in it, it's right under the 400-pound mark. This year they did paint the frame black, which I think looks really good. They changed the exhaust pipes to where they go more straight down. It does not have the, leave a comment if you like this. I kind of did not like it at first, but it's growing on me. It had the cover last year. It does have your Brembo brakes, 320 millimeter rotors in the front. It does have your stainless steel lines already on it. This is their factory edition. And like I say, they put the TST tail tidy on it, which I'd want anyways. Quick shifter up and down. Let's go into the menu real quick. So we'll push the bottom right below the start button. We'll go into it. There's all your settings that you can change. Also too, this year, it does come with cruise, but it has to be programmed, which I don't necessarily like Aprilia doing that, but KTM kind of started that deal where you have to program in features. It does have it, but you'll have to do a program upgrade. Let's come out of that. Let's go down here to system. You can do your backlit, your language. Let's see here, language, clock, units. Let's come out. We'll go to the race modes. Go in. It's got lap timer, angle, all that. We'll come back out. It is in dynamic mode. It has 5 modes where all the traction control, wheelie control, slide control, all that can be adjusted. What a beautiful looking bike, man. Look at this Öhlins rear shock. Look at that. That's beautiful. Öhlins front forks. Beautiful. They have perfected this 660 factory. I truly believe it. Only thing I wish it had was the lower cowl. I'm going to see if I can put one on it if I do end up trying to buy it. What a beautiful bike. Look at this. 2026 Tuono 660 factory, $11,499. And it's calling my name. Oh, man. Let's get back on it. And you do have the red on the seat this year. The little V cap for the back does not come with it. You'll have to buy that extra. But look at this bike. I love that Batman rear light. Make sure I'm getting all this. Yep. Let's get back on it and go. I think I overstayed my minute. Here we go. Back in our individual mode. I had it on commute. Man, this bike sounds so good. There's your trip when you push that button to the right. Let's see. 13.4 volts. They did put bigger fans in them this year behind the radiator. It's not hot here today, but put it in gear here. Give it one more quick go. Man, let's go, let's go. I want this bike. Honey, you could buy this for my birthday. She's too smart for that. We'll go back to our individual mode. You can change the wheelie control on the fly right there. That TFT's full color. And man, it is beautiful, and it's a totally different deal than last year's TFT that I didn't really think that was up to par, but this is up to like BMW level TFT or one of those. I think it kind of surpasses Kawasaki. We've got some more rides coming up. I cannot go back to work. My doctor won't let me go back to work till the week after May 15th. Why, I don't know. But let's go here. Man, this has got more torque. And this thing is just barking for air. I really hope y'all can hear that. Love that quick shifter. This is a whole lot of bike for $11,499. Plain old Kawasaki's information is always in the description of my videos. Man, those Brembo brakes are awesome. We're going to take a left here. What a bike. Man, I love this bike. I love it. It does not have a front steering stabilizer on it, but it does have Brembo front and rear master cylinder. We're going to do probably, I'm waiting on the green 2025 or 26 Hayabusa. Make sure you're subscribed. And if you got something out of this or have a question, man, don't hesitate to. I'm always looking in that rearview mirror. I'm fixing to order a new airbag for me, that Tech 5 Plasma, I think it is. But man, I bought some Marquez boots. You can't get these in the USA, this color. Man, it is just super. I tell you what, it feels more rigid this year, more stuck to the ground. I don't know why. Maybe it's that better suspension. Woo! Oh yeah, come get you some of this. Guys, you will love this bike. Honestly, I love the RS. This is 660 factory, but this is even more comfortable. Man. Let's get in here, take it back. What a machine. Uh-oh. I sent my wife a text a while ago. You can only imagine what was in it. Sweetie, honey, baby. I want to see what that text came back as. And we may be talking numbers here in just a minute. I've got a big 1000cc bike, but I've always wanted something a little bit smaller. When you're on a 1000cc bike, huge thank you to Plano Kawasaki Suzuki. It always lets me ride this stuff. I'm going to try and get one more video out before the week's over. I may not because the weather's kind of shady here in Texas. Man, that thing went up into neutral, just slick as anything. I'll get off of it and give you one more look. I love that color red. This is a gloss black. What a bike, what a bike, what a bike. This would be the perfect bike on my birthday. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure if you got something out of this to like it or share it with somebody. Make sure you leave a comment. I answer all the comments. God bless, and we'll see you on the next video.